Hello, I'm Cody with Aw Crap, and here I'm going to talk to you about our service for lawn mowing. So, I stumbled upon doing this just because of a situation that happened. And basically what ended up happening is I had a client that was trying to schedule our service of picking up the poop to align with the guy who was coming to take care of the lawn. And it just turned out to where we weren't in the area that day, and it was just too much. I was just like, what if I just do it for you? So then it just sparked an interest, and then all of a sudden, now we offer lawn service. So, mowing lawns is something I started doing when I was a kid and helped actually grow a business pretty large. And it takes a lot of time. So, when we do cut grass, we do pull the grass with us. Unless you want us to mulch it, we'll mulch it. But we do edging, the trimming, the whole bit. So if you have someone coming in to do your lawn, we'll try to, coordinate our poop service to align with when you're getting your lawn mowed. It just makes it hard. It just depends on the area. So if it's easier for you to just have us cut your grass while we're there, then that'd be a lot easier. It works out for a few different reasons. One, the person who's going to come cut your grass usually won't have to worry about stepping in any landmines. When you mow lawns and you run over dog poop, it sucks. Not gonna lie, there's nothing about it that makes it glamorous. So we make it pretty easy. If you're getting service with us for the picking up dog poop, your lawn's going to be on the low end $25, on the higher end, $40, $50, just depending on the size of the yard. So works out pretty good because we'll come in, we'll clean up the crap, and then from there we'll start to mow. And it always happens that the grass is hiding, or the dandelions, or something's hiding a couple landmines. So once we're done mowing, we go back through the yard and pick up what's poop's left over, and that's it. So when we leave, your yard's completely clean. If you have us do your deodorizer, then it's even better. So if you want us to take care of your lawn, I'm more than happy to. We pull weeds. We can even do some landscaping, some minor stuff that we take care of, like flower beds and different types of landscaping. So we're happy to help you out. Again, with some of the other videos, we pretty much take care of just about everything that has to do with your lawn. So if you need aeration, we're starting that this year as well. So if you have questions, feel free to give us a call. If you want us to go ahead and add your lawn in, all you got to do is just reach out to us. We'll take care of it. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.